Guess the animal. Lion. He is brave lion. He is the king of the savannah who lives in a family called a pride and has a very loud roar. Can you guess this one? Monkey. He is Funny Monkey. He is a smart climber who swings between trees using his tail and loves eating yellow bananas. Who is hiding here? Penguin. He is Chili Penguin. He is a flightless bird who lives on the ice and uses his wings as flippers to swim. Which animal is this? Camel. He is a desert camel. He is a strong traveler who can walk on hot sand for days because he stores fat in his hump. Guess the animal. Elephant. He is Giant Elephant. He is the largest land animal with a long trunk to drink water and pick up heavy things. Can you guess this one? Shark. He is Fast Shark. He is a powerful hunter of the ocean who has many rows of sharp teeth and never stops swimming. Who is hiding here? Giraffe. He is Tall Giraffe. He has a very long neck and a blue tongue to reach the green leaves at the top of trees. Which animal is this? Frog. He is a green frog. He is an amazing jumper with strong back legs and sticky skin to live in ponds and on land. Guess the animal. Bear. He is Big Bear. He's a strong animal with thick fur who loves to eat sweet honey and fish from the rivers. Can you guess this one? Kangaroo. She is Jumping Kangaroo. She lives in Australia and carries her baby in a warm pouch while hopping across the fields. Who is hiding here? Zebra. It is Striped Zebra. It is a wild horse with black and white stripes that help it hide from lions in the grass. Which animal is this? Tiger. He is Wild Tiger. He is a brave hunter with orange fur and black stripes that help him hide in the deep jungle. Guess the animal. Dolphin. She is a smart dolphin. She's a friendly sea mammal who uses clicking sounds to talk to her friends under the water. Can you guess this one? Rabbit. He is a fluffy rabbit. He is a quick animal with long ears who loves digging burrows and eating crunchy carrots. hiding here? Snake. It is Long Snake. It is a reptile with no legs that crawls silently and uses its tongue to smell the air. Which animal is this? Hippo. He is a big hippo. He is a heavy animal who stays inside the river water all day to keep his skin cool. Guess the animal. Whale. It is huge whale. It is the giant of the ocean who is bigger than a bus and makes loud singing sounds. Can you guess this one? Owl. He is a wise owl. He is a bird of the night who can turn his head around and see clearly in the dark. Who is hiding here? Panda. He is a fluffy panda. He is a peaceful bear from the mountains who spends his whole day eating green bamboo. Which animal is this? Squirrel. She is a busy squirrel. She is a quick climber with a bushy tail who gathers nuts to save them for the winter. Guess the animal. Fox. She is very clever fox. She has a beautiful red coat and a bushy tail and stays in a hidden den during the day. Can you guess this one? Bat. He is Dark Bat. He is the only mammal that can fly, and he likes to hang upside down in dark caves. Who is hiding here? Cow. She is Gentle Cow. She is a kind farm animal who eats green grass and gives us healthy milk to drink. Which animal is this? Horse. He is a strong horse. He is a fast runner with a long mane who can even sleep while standing up on his legs. Guess the animal? Pig. He is a pink pig. He is a smart animal who loves to roll in the mud to keep his skin protected from the sun. Can you guess this one? Sheep. She is a woolly sheep. She lives in a flock on the hills and has soft wool that is used to make warm clothes. Who is hiding here? Goat. She is Hungry Goat. She is a great climber who can stand on rocks and loves eating almost any kind of leaf. Which animal is this? Dog. He is a loyal dog. He is man's best friend who wags his tail to show love and has a great sense of smell. Guess the animal. Cat. She is cute. Cat. She has sharp claws and soft fur and loves to purr when she is resting in the house. Can you guess this one? Duck. She is Yellow Duck. She has a flat beak and webbed feet that help her swim quickly while saying, "Quack." Who is hiding here? Chicken. She is Busy Chicken. She is a farm bird that pecks at seeds and lays fresh eggs in her nest every day. Which animal is this? Turtle. He is Slow Turtle. He is a reptile who carries a hard shell on his back to hide inside when he feels danger. Guess the animal. Parrot. He is a colorful parrot. He is a bright bird from the forest who can learn to copy the words humans speak. Can you guess this one? Octopus. He is a soft octopus. He has 8 long arms and can change his color to hide from fish in the ocean. Who is hiding here? Butterfly. It is a beautiful butterfly. It has colorful wings and visits many flowers after turning from a caterpillar. Which animal is this? Ant. She is Tiny Ant. She is a hard-working insect who lives in a colony and can lift things much heavier than herself. Guess the animal. Bee. She is a buzzing bee. She flies to flowers to collect nectar and takes it to the hive to make sweet honey. Can you guess this one? Rhino. He is Heavy Rhino. He has very thick skin and 1 or 2 strong horns on his nose to protect himself. Who is hiding here? Wolf. He is a wild wolf. He lives with his pack in the forest and communicates by howling at the moon at night. Which animal is this? Cheetah. He is Fast Cheetah. He is a spotted hunter who is the fastest runner on land and can catch any prey. Guess the animal. Koala. He is a fuzzy koala. He's a gray animal from Australia who sleeps all day and eats eucalyptus leaves. Can you guess this one? Gorilla. He is Strong Gorilla. He is a powerful ape who lives in the mountain forests and is very gentle with his family. Who is hiding here? Donkey. He is Gray Donkey. He is a strong farm animal with long ears who is famous for carrying heavy loads. Which animal is this? Seahorse. He is a tiny seahorse. He is a small fish that uses his tail to hold on to seaweed in the ocean. Guess the animal. Jellyfish. It is soft jellyfish. It has a body made of water and long tentacles that glow in the deep sea. Can you guess this one? Peacock. He is Fancy Peacock. He is a bird with a beautiful tail that he spreads out like a colorful fan. Who is hiding here? Swan. She is a white swan. She's a graceful bird with a long neck who swims peacefully on the quiet lakes. Which animal is this? Lizard. It is Quick Lizard. It is a reptile with a long tail that loves sitting in the sun and catching small bugs. Guess the animal. Hamster. He is Small Hamster. He's a furry pet who carries food in his cheeks and runs on his exercise wheel. Can you guess this one? Flamingo. She is a pink flamingo. She is a tall bird with long legs who often stands on one leg in the water.